Welcome to online GK class for class 8th. Today we will start our chapter, that is chapter 37, and the name of that chapter is what? Pioneer Scientist of India. That is second chapter of your unit Science and Technology. Okay, so let us see chapter 37, that is Pioneer Scientists of India. Okay, today we are going to see some Indian scientist who has done a great job for our country for science, and the name of these scientists are as follows: K.S. Krishnan, Birbal Sahni, S.N. Bose, P.C. Ray, Salim Ali, J.V. Narlikar, Meghnad Saha, M.S. Swaminathan, and APJ Abul Kalam. These are few or some Indian scientists for which our video is dedicated. So let us see who is our first scientist. So this something is written over here at your screen about our scientist. We should read this and find out the name of that scientist. So he is called the father of India's chemical industry. He was a great chemist of India. He was also the author of History of Hindu Chemistry, which has been recognized worldwide. He also actively participated in politics along with Gandhiji and G.K. Gokhale. G.K. Gokhale means Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So, further delay, without further delay, we will name the scientist, and that is P.C. Ray. The name of this famous scientist is P.C. Ray. Okay. The next one is, he is the man behind the Green Revolution. I think with this hint you are able to answer this question. He invented techniques to raise agriculture production. He developed high yielding variety of wheat and rice. And the name of the scientist is M.S. Swaminathan. The name of the scientist is M.S. Swaminathan. The next one is, he was a great mathematician and a physicist. He introduced statistics which explain the behavior of radiations. The elementary particles like photon and alpha particles which obey Bose statistics has been named bosons. Okay. Here we have used the term photons and alpha particles, which you will be able to learn in your senior classes. The name of this scientist is what? S.N. Bose. S.N. Bose. Okay. After that, he was India's topmost ornithologist. So please try to find out the word ornithologist in your dictionary. Okay, this is used in competitive exams in one word substitution or as a definition. Though he did not have any degree of formal education of the subject, but with his hard work and zest, he gained fame in this field. मतलब उन्होंने पढ़ाई ज़्यादा नहीं की थी, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया है. He wrote many books on birds and animals, and the name is Dr. Salim Ali. ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे नहीं थे. Even then, he has done a great job for India, especially for birds and animals. And there is one bird century for on the name of this great scientist. Could anyone find out the name of that bird century? So please write in comments. He's a science fiction writer and a great astrophysicist. He did his research work in astronomy. What is the astronomy? At Cambridge University under Fred Hoyle, who was one of the best astrophysicists in the world. What is astronomy? Astronomy is space science. And the name of this scientist is J.V. Narlikar. Okay, J.V. Narlikar. He was the first director of National Physical Laboratory of India. He was a great physicist who worked under Sir C.V. Raman in the field of optics. He was elected a Fellow of Royal Society in 1940 and the name of the scientist is K.S. Krishnan. K.S. Krishnan. Okay, K.S. Krishnan. Next is, he established the Institute of Paleobotany at Lucknow. He was a great paleobotanist, and the institute which he established is named after him. So, the scientist is Birbal Sahni. Birbal Sahni. Next is the scientist, founder of Science and Culture, founder of magazine Science and Culture. He was one of the best astrophysicists of India. His discovery helps the astronomers to know the temperature, pressure, and many other facts about the interior of any star, including the sun. Okay, so the name of this scientist is Meghnad Saha. Meghnad Saha. Please watch video carefully in order to understand each and every word, and some of the very important words has been used in this video, which is very crucial for your vocabulary point of view. So you can write these words separately and try to find out the meaning. Okay, now this is our last uh, question, and I hope you all are knowing it. He made significant contribution to Indian satellite and launch vehicles of Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. I hope you all knowing the full form of ISRO. Okay, so please write in comment. And to the Missile Program of Defense Research and Development Organization, he is called the Missile Man of India. He is called the Missile Man of India, and you all, missile is not uh, a known thing for you. You know what is a missile and how it is important for any country. And this missile is developed for India by this scientist, by him, and he is one of the great men for India, or in the team of Indian scientists, we can say. And he is related with ISRO, DRDO, so you can answer him. And another thing which you can add with him is that he was our president as well. तो प्लीज़ टेल APJ अब्दुल कलाम was which president, कौन से नंबर के प्रेसिडेंट थे ये हमारे. If you know, please write in comments. Okay, it improves your GK. If you write these things in comments, it improves your GK. So this is the last question, so this is over for today, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.